Let's first start off with the lip tints. This is one of the 2 lip shades from Etude's Loacker collection. It's a shade number 2 called Napolitaner. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's a rosy nude shade with a creamy texture. Feels like chocolate mousse almost. It's the most perfect consistency and moisturizes your lips at the same time. This is the second shade in vanilla. It's a pinkier, lighter shade if you want a more natural look or a lighter look. I always fall in love with these collections Etude comes out with, and it literally feels like you're applying melted chocolate all over your lips. Next is the Etude Play Color Eyes mini collection, which comes in 3 types. The packaging is actually insane. The size is super handy and portable and has a warning sign to remind you guys this is not edible. There are 3 types of palettes: vanilla, Napolitaner, raspberry yogurt, and each consists of 4 colors each. The first one is the neutral beige tone palette with soft colors like vanilla. I think it's a perfect combination of daily colors and personally my favorite because it includes all my favorite shades. Also, who wouldn't want to carry this around every day? The next one is the neutral brick brown colors inspired by deep hazelnut flavors, and it is the Napolitaner. All palettes include matte and glitter both, with a mixture of a light blur matte and the moist jelly glitter colors. The texture is in a light blur matte texture, and the colors are perfect for all types of occasions. Last but not least, the next one is the raspberry yogurt. This includes neutral pink colors inspired by the sweet and sour berry yogurt. I think this is a perfect palette for the upcoming spring if you want a really light and rosy makeup. Then we have the Sweet Layer Blusher. There are 2 types for this, and the first one, this is the vanilla. It is a soft coral beige color like vanilla, of course, and I think it is a perfect base color. I love the packaging of this. It actually looks like a wafer piece, and fun fact, not that anybody would care, but wafers is probably my favorite snack ever. So the next one is the Napolitaner, and this is a muted pink brown color, and it is kind of like the freshly roasted hazelnut kind of vibe, and it has a really nice mixture of strawberry and chocolate. Literally so obsessed, I don't think I could pick a favorite. Now let's do a simple nudie makeup but with a hint of rosiness with this collection. I had already done my skin's base makeup, so here I'm just applying the vanilla palette, which is my favorite biscuit. This is a subtle beige color with a neutral undertone, perfect base color to set your eyelids into a cozy matte mood. This makes your eyes look really soft and also kind of primes your eyelids. I spread it not only all over my eyelids on the top, but also under my brows and also under my eyes so that I get rid of any veins that are showing and also any dark circles as well to brighten up all over my eye. As you can see, it is super creamy and really easily blends without any cakiness. I'm also adding the shade number 2 sugar topping under my eyes for a even brighter look and to make myself look more awake. The glitter is super subtle and pretty, and the jelly glitter is also more effective when applied with your fingers, so if you want a shimmier look, you can use your fingers. Then with the same raspberry yogurt palette, I used shade number 4, raspberry chocolate, to add more depth to my eyes. This color is a chocolate brown with a hint of burgundy and dark rose mixed together. I added on the edge of my eye to draw a cat eye shape, extending the ends slightly longer and also adding it closer to my lash line, and also added some remainders on the bottom to connect upwards with the cat eye line. Now it is blush time, so I'm using the shade number 2, Napolitaner, which is a darker shade than the number 1. What I love about this blush is that the color is so pretty, but also layering the product doesn't make your face cakey at all. Because I personally love putting on so many layers of blush, I was so happy to find this product. This product apparently includes capsulized hydrating oil, so no matter how many times you apply it, it still results in a natural rosy matte cheeks.
work it out. You gotta love me though. I wish sometimes that it was more like a story. Big bad, all good by the end of the movie. But in real life, that shit takes time. Yeah, every breath of baby step to get me out my head and get better. Yeah, I'm better.
Our final step is to add the lip. I'm first adding some lip balm from Amuse and added bronzer on a big brush to blend everything all out together. Just add a slight contour. So here for the lips, I'm using the Napolitaner shade for a pink and playful look. I love the thickness of the tip because it makes it super easy to apply all over. I start from the middle of my lips and blend out to the outskirts of my lips for a more natural vibe. I love that it's so creamy and soft. It doesn't leave my lips feeling dry at all. Also, it's super nice when you are reapplying, so you can use it any time of the day, even when you want to fix your makeup, and it does not dry your lips at all. Overall, I'm actually so obsessed with this collection. If you guys know already, I love cute packaging, and Etude has one of the best packaging ever. So make sure you guys go check this out. Everything is super easy to carry around and also includes amazing, useful daily shades. Let me know in the comments which item is your favorite, and that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever time you are watching this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!